Starlink Group 689, F-562. SpaceX successfully launched a Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket with the Starlink Group 689 mission from Launch Complex 39A, LC-39A, at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, CCSFS, in Florida. This launch flew 29 Starlink V2 mini-optimized satellites with a total mass of 16,675 kilograms, 36,762 pounds, to 559 kilometers, 347 miles, low Earth orbit, LEO, at an inclination of 43 degrees to the equator, with the initial orbit 260 by 270 kilometers or 162 by 168 miles. The flight took place on Saturday, November 15, 2025, at 3 hours 8 minutes and 10 seconds Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, or on Friday, November 14, 2025, at 10:08 and 10 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time, EST. This was the 89th launch according to the official number, actually, the 84th launch, to the 6 Starlink shell. Falcon booster B-1092 took a northeastern trajectory from Launch Complex 39A. After stage separation, the booster re-entered Earth's atmosphere and landed safely atop SpaceX's Shortfall of Gravitas, ASOG, autonomous spaceport drone ship in the Atlantic Ocean, northeast of the Cape. The Falcon 9 first stage booster supporting this mission, tail number B-1092, launched for an 8th time.
Starlink V2 mini-optimized satellites are built by SpaceX and have a reported launch mass of 575 kilograms. The optimized chassis features upgrades, such as a new backhaul antenna with a SpaceX-designed and built dual-band chip and improved avionics, propulsion, and power systems. Starlink sats are able to track on-orbit debris and capable of autonomous collision avoidance. All satellites will be equipped with anti-reflective coatings. SpaceX began launching Starlink satellites in 2019. As of May 2025, the constellation consists of over 7,600 mass-produced small satellites in low Earth orbit, LEO, that communicate with designated ground transceivers. Starlink comprises 65% of all active satellites. Nearly 12,000 satellites are planned, with a possible later extension to 34,400. SpaceX announced reaching over 1 million subscribers in December 2022 and 4 million subscribers in September 2024. Falcon 9 Block 5. Falcon 9 Block 5 is a partially reusable, human-rated, two-stage-to-orbit, medium-lift launch vehicle designed and manufactured in the United States by SpaceX. It is the 5th major version of the Falcon 9 family and the 3rd version of the Falcon 9 full thrust. It is powered by Merlin 1D engines burning rocket-grade kerosene, RP1, and liquid oxygen, LOX.
Launch Complex 39A, LC-39A. Launch Complex 39A, LC-39A, is the first of Launch Complex 39's, LC-39, 3 launch subcomplexes, located at NASA's Kennedy Space Center, KSC, in Merritt Island, Florida. The main launch pad, along with Launch Complex 39B, LC-39B, was built in the 1960s to accommodate the Saturn V launch vehicle, and has been used to support NASA crewed space flight missions, including the historic Apollo 11 moon landing and the Space Shuttle. Since 2014 the site has been leased by SpaceX and supports launches of the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets. As of August 2025, there are plans to add 2 landing zones for Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets to conduct 2 return-to-launch site landings. Other plans include adding an orbital launch platform adjacent to the existing Starship launch tower, a catch tower, and other infrastructure to permit Starship launches.
SpaceX. Space Exploration Technologies Corp., commonly referred to as SpaceX, is an American space technology company headquartered at the Starbase development site in Starbase, Texas. Since its founding in 2002, the company has made numerous advances in rocket propulsion, reusable launch vehicles, human spaceflight, and satellite constellation technology. As of 2025, SpaceX is the world's dominant space launch provider, its launch cadence eclipsing all others, including private competitors and national programs like the Chinese space program. SpaceX, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, and the United States Armed Forces work closely together by means of governmental contracts.